In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create folder in Proton Mail. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to set options so your inbox stays organized and easy to manage. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Proton Mail at mail.proton.me. Once you're in your inbox, take a look at the left-hand side of the screen. This vertical panel is your main navigation. It contains your core mailboxes and, importantly for this walkthrough, the area where folders live. In that left panel, look for the section labeled Folders. If your list is long, you might need to scroll a bit, and if the section looks collapsed, expand it so you can see what's inside. This is where Proton Mail groups the folders you create. To add a new one, click the small plus sign next to Folders. That opens the folder creation window. Here, you'll see a field for the folder name. Type a clear, descriptive name that reflects what will go inside, something like receipts, projects, or travel. Consistent naming makes it much easier to find things later. Next, choose the folder location. You can keep it at the top level or nest it beneath an existing folder if you're building a hierarchy. Nesting is great for grouping related topics, like placing quarterly under reports. Use the location selector to pick the exact spot so your structure stays logical and tidy. You'll also see an option to enable notifications for this folder. Toggle this on if you want to be alerted when messages arrive here. For example, if it's a critical project or billing folder. If you prefer fewer interruptions, leave it off. You can always adjust this setting later as your needs change. Before you finalize, take a moment to review your choices. Confirm the folder name is spelled correctly, the location matches where you want it, and the notification setting is what you intend. A quick check now prevents confusion later. When everything looks good, click Save. Proton Mail will create the folder and add it under the folder section on the left panel. From here, it's ready to help you keep related emails together, streamline searches, and reduce inbox clutter. That's all there is to it. You've successfully created a folder in Proton Mail, complete with the right name, the right place, and the right notification preference. Repeat these steps anytime you want to expand your system and keep your inbox working the way you do. Thanks for watching and happy organizing!